Good morning, Lenasia. This is Wasim Kamruddin of Lenasia Times. I'm here with Shahim Ismail outside the Lenasia Magistrates Court, where we were just sitting in a bail application hearing for 6 people who have been accused, who are facing charges rather, of kidnapping, extortion, money laundering, possession of unlicensed firearms and ammunition, as well as possession of a hijacked motor vehicle, as per a report by the South African Police Services. Shahim Ismail is now going to explain to us what was the outcome of today's court proceedings. Shahim, if you could just explain it, please.
Good morning, Wasim. Assalamu alaikum. Today's proceedings has been going on for the past week, where it is from one place to another place, which I would say it's a delaying tactic type of thing, because they would first want to ascertain what is the interest of the community, to really see what pressure is the community going to put under the justice system to get, because first of all, if you know what's happening, Lenasia is out of hand, is out of control in crime. And first of all, this is not the first kidnapping case in Lenasia. Kazi was actually rescued from the same kidnappers that is facing facing to apply for bail. What transpired yesterday, they transferred the case through to Court 10 Soweto. I have said I will not leave any stone unturned, which I eventually, early morning, got myself ready, waiting at Court 10 right until 10 o'clock to be told that the case is now being heard in Lenasia Court 3. I then got into my vehicle, rushed through to Court 3, which I just made it in time, as you have noticed. All right, what's happened here is they're more concentrating about injuries. They're more concentrating about the type of service that they expect from the courts, from the police, that they need to get medical treatment and things like that. All right, they're facing a very serious allegation, a very serious crime that has been committed here in Lenasia. And like I said, in my terms, we always say that we are basically hardcore for crime. Now, what's happened here is the court has now indicated that on Monday that this case will be heard in Soweto Court 10, right, which has now been transferred. You'll find out that the magistrate has indicated she cannot hear this case because she had already previously, more than once, had dealings with this accused, which shows you that this accused they got no respect for the law. They've been in and out of this courtrooms. They are used to this situation. And that is why the court feels she's going to be biased if she's going to hear this application, which means now she's now going to send it to a neutral court, which is in pro-tier court. Then you'll find out that Faisal himself is already facing another charge in Benoni. So Faisal is being transferred back to the Benoni court, which is appearing tomorrow, which is Friday the 25th of March, 2022. He's appearing in Benoni court. They have made application and they've actually tried to twist the court's hand to put his wife in Ennerdale police station. Whatever reason, is it because they want to have special treatment, because they wouldn't want her to sit in the Johannesburg prison, which is called Sun City? The magistrate has made that order to say she's got no J7, to say that she is now compelled to put her in Ennerdale, and she's en route to Sun City as we speak. And unfortunately, you do the crime, you got to do the time. And what I'm saying to Lenasia, Wasim, through your media, I mean, you've noticed I'm the only one from the community that is sitting here without any backup. In fact, I would say Hussein has been also with me here at Lenasia Court to try, but we are showing no interest. What we are showing the courts and we're showing the justice system that it's another number. We are accepting, because today it's not them. But to me is today it was Zain. Zain has passed on, his body was chopped off, and whatever scenarios, it was Kazi, Lukman Kazi. Lukman Kazi was rescued, Shukran, in a matter of days, right? And he was rescued with these suspects that has been or is facing the might of the law. What I'm saying to the people is stop your couch complaining. Come out here, join me, and show the magistrate. The magistrate has actually welcomed us. She's welcomed because, first of all, the guys was very upset. The attorneys was making a buhai about me photographing and me going on social media, and the court has understood there was no maliciousness on my side. No maliciousness on my side was to advise the court, to advise the public, to tell the public what is happening, and to tell the public I'm hurtful for crime, and to ask the public to join me. On that grounds, I stood my ground and I proved it that I'm the one that has taken that video, and I'm the one that will update the community as it happened, when it happened, and no stone will be left unturned.
Okay, thank you, Shahim. Just on the point of community participation, I know you had put out a message encouraging people from the public, the Lenasian public, to come out here to the court and show interest in this case. And unfortunately, today we saw there was a very poor turnout. I can personally vouch for it that I hardly saw any substantial number of people from Lenasia sitting in the court. So that was disappointing to see. And also the issue of social media postings of the images of the accused. The magistrate did mention that those could compromise identity parades and stuff like that. Just your comment on the general apathy of the Lenasian public, and should they now at least be encouraged to come out on Monday at Soweto Protea Magistrates Court to show interest in this case, given what you just mentioned?
Like I said, I will say it again, I'm totally disappointed in my community that knows we will patrol the streets and we'll try and keep them safe. I'm urging the community, stop what you are doing. Don't put their faces on social media. Don't do anything. As you can notice, I have not done that, and I will not do that. You can do it once the ID parade is finished, but I'm saying to the community, come out. You get those guys. I promise you, Wasim, within the next hour, you'll see people will come in there and they will update the community as like they were here. Those crime fighters will now put it to you this way that they've been here. I'm telling them, stop your sitting at home and going on your computer, on your phone, and like putting it out there that you've been there. Come and join my hand, all right? And let us fight this together. We have to show the community and the next person who is even thinking of committing a crime of this nature, they will say no. Lenasia stands together, and Lenasia will make sure that if you do crime, you will serve the time. And that is what we are saying to the people. Crime, no way. We are sick and tired of crime.
Okay. Thank you so much for that, Shahim. Just to mention also to the public that Lenasia Times, in fairness, did also ask representatives of the accused to give us comment, and we spoke to one of their attorneys who said that the accused denied the allegations and that for now they have no comment. But we thank once again Shahim Ismail of Lethal Forces for creating awareness of this serious situation, and we hope that more people will take an interest in this come Monday at Soweto at Protea Magistrates Court. Thank you. This is Wasim Kamruddin for Lenasia Times, and we appreciate your input, Shahim Ismail.
Thank you very much.